Have your own voice through creating special reports. You're probably searching for additional revenue streams to keep your business solid and secure in this contracting economy and uncertain world. Producing specialized content for sale is one of the fastest, most reliable methods of making extra income fast. Writing a white paper or a special report is a great way to set yourself up as an expert in your field and share valuable information with your prospects. You may already have most of the ingredients for an ebook or special report in your files or archives. Find out which ingredients make customers willing to pay you for material available from other sources and what elements you should include in your marketing copy to spark their interest in buying now. Here are the steps to take when writing your special report. Have your end goal in mind before you start. Do you want to find a way to increase sales while reducing your cost to acquire those sales? Who are you trying to impress, and what is important to them? What distribution method will be best? How many people do you want to impact with this report? Make sure the layout of your special report looks pleasing and is very easy to read. Keep in mind that it is basically salesmanship in print. Keep your facts accurate, very brief and to the point. The denser your information, the more valuable and more likely to keep the interest of your reader. Write an attention-getting headline. 95% of your readers will decide if they will read your special report based totally on your headline, so make it great and make it benefit-driven. Get it on the web. When emailing others, include your white paper URL in your sigline of your email, or include the URL when promoting your special report on email discussion lists.